Okay, we're going to take a look at this Road Pro Deluxe Snack Master chiller and warmer. This is a thermoelectric cooler, so it'll only cool about 20 to 30 degrees below ambient, and it says that it heats to about 120, 130 degrees or so. It's a decent little size, has a locking latch here. Has a small LED in there that lights up pretty well, a shelf. So it holds a decent amount of food and beverages. It's got a nice gasket here, and see-through window is what we like. So we're gonna go ahead and hook the thermometer up to it, and we'll be right back. All right, the top temperature shows the temperature inside the cooler, and the bottom temperature is the ambient. So 75 degrees inside here and about 73, 74 inside the cooler. So almost equal. As you can see, the light turns on and off in there. We're gonna go ahead and switch it to cool. Turns on, you hear the fan running. And again, the top is the temperature inside the cooler. As you can see, it is picking up a temperature change already. It's going down. And we'll just come back and check in a little while and see what happens. All right, it's been well over an hour for this little cooler here, and there's a better shot of the light in there and the thermostat, or the temp probe right there. But we got it down to 55.7. The ambient is 74.4. That gives us a difference of 18.7 degrees. 18.8. So we'll call it 19 degrees cooler than ambient. That's pretty good. We'll leave it for another hour maybe and see where we're at. All right, it's been a couple hours here on this Road Pro Snack Master Deluxe. We're seeing about only 20 degree difference. It's 54.4 degrees inside, 74.2 outside, and we got a difference of 19.8. So we're gonna call it about 20 degrees. So this thing can cool 20 degrees lower than ambient. It's not gonna keep any food or foodborne bacteria off anything, but this will chill canned drinks down in some water bottles. But the actual feature we're excited about is the heat feature. So we're gonna go ahead and equalize the thermometers and the temperatures, and we're gonna turn on the heat to see if this thing can actually keep food warm. So if you buy something like a sandwich, a hot sandwich or a burger, you throw it in there and leave it on the warm, will it stay for a while till you can get around to eating it again? Okay, we got the warmer on now. Probe is back in there. And we're gonna see if the temperature will rise up. Now this is just some residual cooling effect from being switched over, but hopefully it'll eventually recover. All right, as you see, the temperature is rising. So we'll just keep monitoring it and see where it caps out at. All right, it's been a few hours. We're back here at this Road Pro Deluxe Snack Master, the chiller and the warmer. We did notice that this does have some type of internal temperature regulation that kicks off and on. So we seem to see that it's right around 118 it kicks off, somewhere around there. So it doesn't get to the 135 temperature where you're supposed to hold hot food, but we got about a 40 degree difference. So 112 degrees. And like we said, it goes up to about 120 and kicks off. So it would definitely keep some food warm. It's not going to keep it at the recommended food serving, but if you're getting lunch and you throw it in there and you want to keep it warm for about an hour, it'll definitely be something to look into. So we're going to let this go one last time until the power trips and it starts to cool down again. All right, so we're at 116.6. It seems like the warmer kicks back on at about 110. So about 110 Fahrenheit internally, it kicks back on. And it cycles off at about 118, 119. So it just tripped off at about 117.5. So yeah, right around 118, it kicks off and it comes back on right at about 111. So it'll definitely keep some food warm. You know, it's not a refrigerator and it's not a stove. But if you want to keep drinks chilled, it's not going to keep meat or anything like that fresh. But some soda, some water will definitely chill it down. And if you got some food that you're trying just to keep warm, you know, maybe for an hour or two, it'll definitely work. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.